Hi and welcome back. Today I'm trying out the embossing powder from Ranger. This is rose quartz, and I'll show you 3 ways to use it and what it looks like on light and dark surfaces. For those who have not used this before, this is a fine powder, and when it's melted with a heat gun, it creates an embossed look on your project. It's handy to use a piece of paper for small projects. That way you can get it back into the jar without making a huge mess. So I have 3 little images printed out on heavy watercolor paper for my journal. You'll need an embossing pen and a heat gun when using this powder, and there's also embossing pads as well. The first way I'm going to use it is to make a border. And you can go in with the pen to fix up any areas that weren't covered, being careful not to get the powder onto the pen. Now, very important, before you use the heat gun, make sure that all the powder is far away and that the lid is on the pot, or it's going to blow everywhere. And if it gets too hot to hold, you can go ahead and use some tweezers to keep your fingers away from the heat. And now all that is melted, and it makes a super cute border. I hope you found this video super helpful. Thanks for watching,